All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Update about 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 425. So let's get things started. All right, so bear in mind that I'm actually late and past the day itself, so I actually ended work a couple of days late earlier these few weeks because due to the workload itself. But otherwise, yeah, if you look in terms of balance wise, up a little bit in terms of experimental trader setup, still in terms of negative wise. Yes, am I concerned? Not entirely, because I do have confidence into a long-term round. We will still be looking in terms of positive value. So yep, I'm still sticking to it. Otherwise, if you look in terms of the daily update itself, the US market is actually having a very nice pullback. I'm not conservative. I'm not very panicking or whatsoever. In fact, you do see in terms of potential value coming in. So be very keen in terms of adding in terms of position wise. And secondly, if you look in terms of the China market wise, similarly, I would say their area of value right now. I'm sorry. I mean, right now, I would see them as an area of value. So potentially, you could consider adding them. But do bear in mind that I do see that there are further potential downsides to it. And you potentially have to hold for at least 2 to 5 years period, while China is actually consolidating or even stabilizing in the years to come. So if your investment horizon is at least 5 to 10 years ahead, then potentially you can. Otherwise, I would say to be very cautious about China market and where it will be in the next 1 to 2 years itself. And finally, for Bitcoin itself, right now we are forming a very bearish kind of descending triangle on the 4-hourly chart itself. How low it can go is for anybody's guess itself. So we did actually try to push towards the upside earlier today. So on the daily chart, you can see there was a 10, but it didn't seem to be as high as I would have liked to, which was slightly above this downward resistance itself. So instead, it actually didn't even reach above the 50 simple moving average like what it has previously. So yeah, potentially we do retest over this zone with strong volume and strong support being found. There could be mark reversal itself, in which case this would be somewhat like a bullish bullish downward kind of a wedge pattern itself. So yeah, let's see how things react to it. But otherwise, I'm not looking for anything entering any trade in terms of price action wise on the 4-hour chart, simply because the pattern is not very clearly formed as of today. And even if we were to break out, I would at least want to wait until tomorrow, whereby I consolidate for at least 2 to 3 candlesticks over here before entering for potential breakout trade towards the downside. Otherwise, with that said, I've come to the end of today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.